Today's topic, why you should love policy loans and why you should embrace being in debt to your life insurance policy. So one of the most attractive features of taking a loan out from your life insurance policy is that your money is always working for you. Whether that money is sitting in your cash value component in the policy, or that money is sitting in your pocket, or that money is being used to further your financial interests, that money, whether it be in those three places, is always earning a guaranteed rate and dividends as if you had never touched it in the first place. Call it you never have loss opportunity cost. That is really at its infinite banking's core, the ability to take loans out from your policy while still having that money work for you. When you pay that loan back, all values are completely restored as if you had never touched it in the first place. If you would like to see a particular loan scenario, feel free to contact us. Brandon here saying stay healthy and stay wealthy. Hey, I'm loving those policy loans. Talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. If you would like more information, visit us on the web at infinitewealthengine.com or click on the link to receive your free PDF on how to build your own infinite wealth engine using the infinite banking concept. We look forward to talking with you soon. Brandon here saying stay healthy and stay wealthy.